Hello.
Hello, Ahmed.
Yeah, how are
How are you?
you?
I'm very well, thank you. My name is Adam,
Uh-huh. How are you, Adam?
and you are from Iraq.
Yeah, I'm from Iraq.
How is the weather in Iraq today?
The degree is 43.
43.
Yeah,
Wow.
it's
Okay.
very warm,
Very warm. Yeah.
and we are turn on the air condition.
The air conditioning.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And do you have a topic you would like to discuss today?
Um, I want to just have a free conversation, talk about anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is your job? What is your occupation?
I work on communication towers.
Communication towers. Okay, like mobile phone towers.
Uh, yes, something like that. But here in Iraq, we provided the internet service to the people. So
Oh,
yeah,
wireless.
wireless by the internet.
Ah, okay.
So I am the provider in my district.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it's very hard job.
Uh-huh.
Always, my phone is ringing, and the customers call me about the service. Why is cutting, and why is the internet is shut down. I s-
Ah,
I
okay.
said this is the problem from the source, not from me. You know about the internet problems.
From the ISP, the internet service provider, or
Yes, from the ISP sources.
uh-huh, okay.
Yes, and when I have a problem in my towers, I climbed up to the towers to fix the problem.
Oh, wow.
Yeah,
Okay.
in 43 degree. It's so warm.
Uh, yeah, I bet. I bet it's very warm,
Yeah.
especially when you're going up. It gets warmer, right?
Yes, so warmer.
Yeah.
My hand is burning.
Yeah. Wow.
Yes.
So, what are the towers made of? They what is there a big router at the top or several routers? How does it work?
Several there are several antennas to broadcast the signal,
Okay.
and the other side, the customers have an antenna on the floor. Do you know
Okay.
about a nano station?
Which one? Sorry.
Nano station.
Nano station. No, I don't
Uh-huh.
know.
Okay. Something like antennas station take the signal from me, the ISP, and
Uh-huh.
to the finally to the router. Okay, and
Okay. So they have a router at home that connects to the antenna that connects to the ISP.
yes, it is.
Ah, okay,
Yeah.
okay. So the antenna in the middle is kind of like a repeater.
Yes, repeater. Yes,
Ah, okay,
yes,
okay.
and
Wow. Yeah. Well,
where are you from, Adam?
I'm I'm from Australia.
Australia. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
What's the degree there? The weather.
I'm not sure. I actually live in Vietnam.
Uh-huh. In Vietnam. So the
Yeah.
weather, how's in the Vietnam? I think it's warm.
It's warm today, but not as warm as that. It's warm today, but not as warm as that. So I have to look. Here we go. AccuWeather. Today it is 32 degrees.
Uh-huh. It's nice to
Yeah.
us. It's nice to us here.
Yeah.
We have
Yeah. It's hot here.
yeah, we have 50 reach in the middle of summer.
Wow.
50
Okay.
sometimes 55.
55.
Yeah,
Wow.
here.
In Australia,
Yes.
in the desert, it gets like that.
In the desert. Yes.
Yeah.
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 Maybe in the desert here in Iraq, maybe 17.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa. Yeah.
I talk in the 55 in the city.
Oh.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Yes.
In Vietnam, we have a high humidity.
High humidity.
Yeah, high humidity.
Yes.
So there's lots of water in the air.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It,
Let me try.
so it's nice weather in Vietnam.
It's hot. The humidity makes it very wet, so you're very sticky with sweat all the time.
Uh-huh.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's not dry.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Feel not comfort.
not comfortable. No,
Yes,
yeah,
not
you feel
comfortable.
always sweating and sticky.
Yes, you,
Yeah,
you have to take a shower every hour.
yeah, like 2 or 3 times a day I shower. Yeah,
Yes, yes,
yeah, yeah,
I
yeah.
feel that. I feel that.
It's the same in Iraq. They have high humidity, or
In the month 7, in June and July,
okay.
feel like that.
In June and July, it's like
Yeah, I
that.
feel like that. Yeah, I
Okay.
have a shower 3 or 4 times in the day.
Oh wow. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm.
So in Vietnam, they have fans everywhere.
What?
In Vietnam, when you go somewhere, they have a fan.
Uh-huh.
They,
Yes. Yes.
yeah,
Uh,
because the humidity is too high.
yes. Yes. God help you.
Yeah, but apart from that, it's very nice. I have been here 8 years now, so I'm used to it. I like it.
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. And how is the weather in Australia?
In my hometown, it gets hot in summer, and in winter it's cool. It gets down maybe to about 4 or 5 degrees at night in winter.
Under zero or up zero?
No, above zero. Yeah,
Uh-huh. Above zero. 5.
yeah,
It's cold.
yeah. It gets cold, but
Yes.
it gets to about 45 degrees.
45 degrees, huh? Like,
Yeah,
like,
we have
like, like us.
yeah.
Yeah.
We have like 2 or 3 weeks, and it's about 45 degrees.
Mhm. But no humidity there.
No humidity.
Mhm.
Even at night, though, it will be hot. So like at night, it might be like 29, and then in the day, it's like 40
Uh-huh.
or 45
Yeah.
every summer.
Which city in Australia live?
Adelaide,
Adelaide?
Adelaide. Yeah,
Adelaide. It's a big city or a
yeah.
small city?
It's small by the standard of the world, but it's big in Australia. So it's maybe the fourth or fifth biggest. So we have it's number 4. So it's 1.2 million people.
1 point. Yes, I think it's a small city.
Yeah.
Yeah,
From the standard of the world, it's very small. Yeah.
very small city. I hear Australia is a very far away country.
From Iraq, yeah, it's very far away. Yeah.
Yeah, and which is the capital? Is it Melbourne?
No, it's Canberra.
Canberra. Uh-huh. Thank
Yeah,
you for writing me to the note. Thank you so much.
that's okay. Yeah.
Yes,
Yeah. Canberra is the capital, but it's very small. Only like 400,000 people.
uh-huh. But also Melbourne in the city in Australia.
Is the second
Second.
number 2. I think.
Yes.
Yeah.
I heard about it. I think it's a popular city.
Yeah, but it's still small in the world. It's only about 4 or 5 million.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, and Sydney is the biggest city, and they have about 7 or 8
Yeah,
million.
like my city, Baghdad.
Yeah.
Here about 7.5 million.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, about the same. Sydney's about the same.
Yes. So let me ask you, Adam, about your name. Adam as McDonald's. Yes?
Yes.
Yes. McDonald's. Is it associated with the restaurant McDonald or?
Oh no, that one is MC like this. That's McDonald. That's the restaurant, and my name is like this.
Yes.
Yeah, but it means it means the same thing.
Yes, I heard about McDonald is Mac and Donald.
Yeah, so this one it means the son of.
Mac, the son of. Yes.
This one also is the same thing, the son of. So it's this is the first one is my name, Mac. That's a Scottish Gaelic,
Yes.
and the second one is Irish Gaelic.
Yes.
They're 2 languages that are very close. So and then Donald is a name. So it's like a long time ago, 1,000 years ago, there was a man Donald. He was a king, and then his son was MacDonald.
McDonald. Yes.
Yeah, he's the son of Donald.
That's
And
the story about McDonald's.
Yeah, and then everybody says MacDonald because they're from down, because the king was very famous, so they all say I'm from this king. It's like if you were say like Arab and Jewish Hebrew people and Arab people, and they say Abraham is their ancestor.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So then they will say Mac Abraham.
Yeah. Mac like Abraham.
No, Mac would be the son of, like I am from. I am from Abraham. So they will say Mac Abraham.
Yes. I got it.
In this one, it's called Gaelic, the language.
Gaelic. Yes.
Yeah.
Good to talk with you, Adam. You give me
Yes.
so information. I thank you so much.
No problem. It's very nice to meet you.
Me too.
Okay, have a great day, Ahmed.
Thank you. And goodbye.
Okay. Bye-bye.